Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I've got a first impression about the new L'Oréal Color Reach lipstick. It's a matte one, so I am very curious and let's get started. This is the lipstick. There was no packaging around it, so it's only this one. And it looks like this. It's a very thin lipstick. And they say it's matte, but I can see a little bit of a shine on the lipstick itself. So I'm very curious if it's going to be satiny, yes or no. If it's buttery, if it gives that more volume that they say. And the smell test. Okay, it has a soft, sweet scent to it. Not overwhelming, so that's a plus. I chose the 640 color and it is the Le Nude, and let's try it on. Okay, it glides on. The pigment is really stunning. You can really easily get into the corners, but when you go on top another layer, I have the feeling that it slides a little bit less easy. Okay, the top lip. The lipstick is really pretty. The color is pretty. The pigment is so pretty. But when I put it at first on my lip, I thought, okay, it glides on very smoothly. But the second I wanted to place a second layer so I could reach the edge, was a little bit harder because you can feel it drag. You have the feeling that there is a thick layer of lipstick on your lip, and maybe that's because it's matte, and it is truly matte. It isn't even satin finish, it is matte, and I can feel it a little bit drying on my lip, and that's something I dislike a little. It feels like a liquid lipstick that takes every moisture out of your lip, if you know what I mean. It has a little bit of feeling like that. So I'm going to test it out for a week, see how it wears, see how it stays, and if it is really comfortable or it's uncomfortable. And yeah, let me test that and I will get back to you with my final verdict. This is the first impression about the Intense Volume Matte lipstick by L'Oréal, and this was the color 640. I hope you liked this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!